So let's continue to take a step back and really like this prostitute thing or this whore thing was speaking of pombagira, and you got to see what they really trying to do to your feminine energy. Because if you can walk outside and a dude be like, shit, I'll give you some money right now just to spend some time with you, that's power. Because when my black ass go to oh shit, when my black ass go outside, don't nobody give me shit. And I ain't ugly either. I'm just saying, man. I'm not even hating on women and y'all ability at all. I know that if y'all get y'all shit together, y'all can walk outside and make some shit happen. And it ain't about being physically attractive or none of that shit. It's about dealing with your energy, dealing with your power. If you deal with your energy or deal with your power, you don't never gotta do your hair. You ain't never gotta put on makeup. You ain't never even gotta do shit. You can sit in the goddamn bed and masturbate all day with intention, and motherfuckers will be bringing you, what's that shit called? Where they bring the chocolates to you or the flowers? Not room service. With the dipped strawberries. edible masturbating for edible arrangements. If you think it ain't being done, hell no. It's girls paying rent, laying on their bed masturbating in front of a camera that they bought for $6.99 or some shit. Paying rent, ain't doing shit but sitting in front of the camera playing with herself. Now if you took a step back, that shit retarded as shit. Like what? Like why would I even want to watch somebody masturbating? Why would I even give money to somebody who's just simply masturbating in front of me? If we thought with our logical minds, we'd be like, well, I'd rather not. Like, I'd rather do something productive. I'd rather have fun. But shit, the motherfucking, that shit is a booming ass business. So that must mean something else is going on in the minds of people. You know what I'm saying? Like, you could say that it's illogical or don't make no sense, but shit, I was at Family Dollar just today, ready to like, what the hell? Like, I don't know. It's be them leggings. I don't know what the hell. And then I had to think like, well, I don't know this lady. I'm just looking at her ass. Like, and it had my mind in a whole different frame of thought. I'm thinking about, you know, I need some soap, some dish detergent. I seen that ass. I forgot everything that was going on. I forgot I was even in Family Dollar. So that's power. And she probably didn't even have no ass for real. That was probably an illusion. She was probably doing spell work. You just never know. It could have been, y'all be doing all types of sorcery nowadays. So ultimately, if you look at sex as something evil or something bad, it don't necessarily matter what deity you deal with or whatever, because generally, once you get $1 million, your mind is corrupt, not the sex. You gotta understand that. The person that you are with is not corrupt. Your mind is corrupt if you view them as corrupt. So you gotta generally deal with your energy and build your energy. What can you do with pombagira? First, I said she was a goddess of the thresholds, and she has no limit. So her magic is capable of anything. But she really likes that eros energy and that love energy and that sex energy, because at the end of the day, what is your ass gonna wish you gonna be doing? So you mean to tell me just simply going to Aruba let's just say a 30-day vacation to Aruba, and you ain't getting no ass? I mean, in your prudish ass mind, you probably be thinking, well, yeah, I'm just going to see the sights. You're going to be on the same goddamn resort, By day 3, the shit gonna be looking the same, and you gonna be wanting some action. I say that to say that energy is in everybody. Hold on. How come sex is always on the goddamn mind of everybody, but don't nobody ever want to talk about it? We always want to talk about Black Panther, when black people gonna get reparations and all of that shit. All of that shit would be justified if your ass would just get you some good ass sex and be like, okay, I could deal with this for a while. And once you get some good ass sex, everything tends to work itself out. And I'm not talking about bad sex. I'm not talking about rush sex or not natural sex or weird ass sex or booty call sex. I'm talking about wholesome, healthy sex with a couple of people or one person, however you do your shit, but everybody know what's going on. That's magic. That's when shit start to, them orgasms start popping off, them synapses start popping, and you start getting them visions from other worlds and shit. Start bringing them shits down into reality. You know, shit starts to happen once you start to have real sex. That's why it ain't evil. That's why it ain't bad. And maybe dealing with pombagira, you want $1 million and you don't want to have sex. Okay. You're just going to be a mean ass millionaire with no sex. So ultimately, she don't play with the fake shit. So if you're not serious and you're not down to, if you're not wanting to change in your life, if you're not oppressed and you're not really trying to deal with it, because like I said at the beginning, Ubanda is for the niggas that's happy being slaves. It's real pretty, beautiful rituals, all the aesthetics you need for spirituality, you know, to feel good about talking to spirits and dancing and drumming, all the church shit you need in African variation. Do that Umbanda. But if you want to deal with some Kimbanda shit, then you're going to have to separate yourself from the rest and do whatever you need to do. This is the threshold. This is the crossroads. Like, if you cool with life, then keep doing the Umbanda shit and kumbaya and, you know, shake hands with white folks and go to work every day and, you know, everything peace. But if you want to be a runaway slave and fight oppression, you might want to deal with this pombagira energy, man. And so, like I said, this is just a part 1.